Hello, it is me and my tea. And today we are going to be unboxing another Litjoy crate. So this is their November 2020 box and their theme is Star-Crossed Lovers, and I am excited to see what is inside this box. And the really neat thing with Litjoy crate is you have 3 different options for boxes. You can get a book-only box, you can have a full box that has books and items, or you can get an items-only box, which is what I got. So let's see what we have. Oh, and if you're interested in getting a Litjoy box or just a Litjoy order, I have a $5 off coupon code that you can use down below. So, first thing that I see in this fabulous box is a very neat spoiler pamphlet. But I'm gonna put that aside because as River Song would say, spoilers. So, first thing I see on top, is a box. And it is a puzzle, and it looks like it is the Night Circus. Super cool. I really love Night Circus themed items. I really love the black, white, and red theme, and I think it's just really cool. So I cannot wait to put this together because, you know, being stuck at home, what's better than putting together a puzzle right now? So, up next, I see a beautiful enamel pin. Is a very large enamel pin, and it is absolutely stunning. We have a dragon on there that is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Cannot wait to put this on my pin banner. I'm really loving enamel pins right now. So next item in our box, it is another box. So let's see what is inside here. Well, this is cool. So, this is an interesting little thing right here. It has Shadow Hunters on it, and it says, read by Witchlight. I think I'm going to take a little peek at the spoiler card to see exactly what this is. Witchlight. Oh, cool. So, this is a book light. Very neat. That'll be perfect for reading at night. Okay. So, up next, it looks like we have 2 towels, and it's 2 of my favorite characters from Six of Crows. Very cool. Cannot wait to put these in my kitchen, and it says, one says, wash your dirty hands, and the other one says, rise your dirty hands. And let's see what these feel like, because the texture looks really interesting. Ooh. This is a very interesting textured tea towel. Still very cool. Next, we have a very large sticker that says, okay, okay, okay. Next, it kind of looks like a old-fashioned photo booth, and I think this is characters from the Ember and the Ashes. So we have some very neat artwork, and then a quote down at the bottom. Super cute. I think I'm either going to put this on my bulletin board, or maybe, since it's pretty thick, I might even use this as maybe a small bookmark. So, up next we have this really beautiful wood ornament. So as we can see, this beautiful wood ornament is Romeo and Juliet, and the quote down at the bottom is, what light through yonder window breaks. And this is going to be really lovely on my Christmas tree. I love putting wooden ornaments up, and I think this will be an excellent addition to the wood ornament collection. So the last few things in my box are a letter from the author about the book, which I did not get, but I believe this is Soul Swift is the book. So I might be maybe checking this out at the library and seeing if it's a good book or not. But I absolutely love this bit of cover art for the letter from the author, and I think it would be pretty framed or hung up on my bulletin board. I think this is really lovely. Next we have a little spoiler for next year's Litjoy destinations. And let's see, it tells about the collections and all the different fun things that will be in it. So next up is my add-on. I really wanted to get the Harry Potter pin, but just as I was checking out, they sold out. Story of my life. So I decided to get the apothecary candle instead. So this is giant squid ink, and this artwork is absolutely stunning. I really love this. I love the little squid octopus charm here at the top, and I can't wait to smell what this smells like. Oh, this is great. This is a great like pumpkin spice. I really love this, and of course the inside is black. So I cannot wait to put this with the rest of my Harry Potter candles that I have up on my shelf, and I think it's a really great, almost prop edition. So let's take a quick look at the spoiler cards and see if I can figure out where this really cool pin is from. And I'll also give some spoilers for next month. So the sticker is from The Fault in Our Stars. Okay. Let's see. The pin. Ah, it's from A Curse So Dark and Lonely. Okay. So I'm still really in love with this giant pin. And like I said, I can't wait to put this on my pin banner. So, apart from looking at the different spoilers and add-ons, next month's theme is Drama Club. Now, spoilers, I have looked at them, and next month is going to have their next miniature teacup in the collection, and some of the themes in next month's box is going to be Emma, the Lunar Chronicles, Hamilton, Anna and the French Kiss, and Riverdale, and some other themes. And I'm super excited to see what they do for the miniature teacup, and I'm really excited to see maybe what the Hamilton and Emma item is, and I just cannot wait for next month. Whew. Well, everybody, I hope that you have enjoyed this Litjoy Crate unboxing. The next box that I will be getting from Litjoy Crate is going to be their Magical Alleys box, and I'm so excited for that to come. It's going to be shipping later this month, and I can't wait to see how all the goodies are in that box. So, if you are interested in watching another Litjoy Crate unboxing, go ahead and click right here. And if you are new, welcome to my channel, and go ahead and click that button right there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!